Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another behind the scenes of my Etsy shop vlog. You're in for a real treat because it's going to be a super busy day. I have so much to get done. Like, I'm so overwhelmed. So what I like to do when I'm overwhelmed is I make a to-do list and I put the important stuff at the top, and then if I get that done, then I can, move on to other stuff. I feel like everything on my list is like the most important thing, but I know that I'm gonna have to figure it out. I just feel very stressed out and overwhelmed. Today is Tuesday. We leave Thursday night to drive down to Florida for my sister's cruise wedding. She's technically married, but this is like the ceremony, and so I'm just gonna tell you guys my to-do list for today, and let's see if we can get it all accomplished. So I need to do $2 Tuesdays. I've got to do the photos and the listings. I need to upload a video. It's already edited. I just have to do the thumbnail and upload it. I need to finish these little candy wrappers for my sister's wedding. I did candy wrappers and I did water bottle labels. And so the water bottle labels are already with my mom because they're already on their way down to Florida. But the candy labels, they didn't need until later. So I was like, I'll get them and, whatever. So I just have to cut them, and that shouldn't take too long. And then I need to finalize the freebies for a sale that I'm in at the end of the month and send that. I really need to print and cut stock for this vendor event. I feel like I'm so behind on that alone. I'm just like, I also need to design stuff for Thursday because I've not put up new releases in a while, and I really need to get that done. So I really need to get most of that stuff done today, and then tomorrow I've got to go get my nails done, so that's going to take time out of my day, unfortunately. And then I'm also going to work on printing and cutting stock. And then Thursday, I would like Thursday to just be like cleaning, packing, getting ready. So yeah, I'm so overwhelmed, you guys. September has been so crazy already, and we're only on day 10, but I'm just like, oh my goodness. So that's what's going on in this vlog. That's what you guys are gonna see, so let's get into it.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top.
Okay guys, I wanted to give you an update. I have gotten so much done. It is currently like 12, I think, and I've gotten so much stuff done and checked off my list. I feel so much better about life right now because of it. But I'm currently getting ready to film a power hour clean with me because my apartment is an absolute disaster. And if you didn't know, I started a cleaning channel. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm gonna have it linked down below. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a power hour to try to get everything nice and clean for today. I'm gonna do a deeper clean on Thursday. My goal is to get all of my work done, and then Thursday can be just a pack, clean, get last minute stuff done. So yeah, but I'm gonna do a power hour here in a minute. But I just wanna update you guys on what I actually got done. I made this list right here, and so I had to do $2 Tuesday photos, which you guys saw me do, the listings, which I also filmed. I uploaded the plan with me, which I think you guys saw part of that. I had to work on the thumbnail. I needed to promote everything on Instagram and Facebook. I had to finish up the candy bar wrappers for my sister's wedding, and I had to send the freebie graphic for a sale that I'm in later this month, and then everything else. I need to print stock, which I'm currently doing, and then I need to edit my plan with me videos, which I'm going to do tonight while James plays video games. And then I have an Instagram loop giveaway, which is happening at 3, so I have my alarm set on my phone and everything ready to go for that. So I figured I could take a brief pause, film the power hour, and then if I get that done, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of designing, which I'll show you guys. But I'm probably gonna split this vlog into, not split it, but like combine it with tomorrow, just to give you guys a little bit more of what I'm doing. I'll probably do a lot more cutting and printing stuff tomorrow. My cutting strip for my middle machine is supposed to be here tonight. So I'm hoping that I can have all 3 machines up and running tomorrow, and I can cut a bunch of stock tomorrow. That will make me feel a lot better. But yeah, I am feeling a little bit, like, I'm feeling a lot better about everything I have to get done before Thursday. So I completely fail. I actually did some designing and totally forgot to film it because it's just my life. Sometimes I forget that I'm filming. So I actually tried to film a power hour clean with me and my battery died, so I'm gonna attempt to do that again. Thankfully I hadn't gotten very far into it, but still, it was just like, ugh. So I'm gonna do that, but I did design a kit and I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like. This kit I'm calling Magical Winter. Last year, I believe it was like Woodland Winter or something like that, but I changed the name and gave it a little makeover. So that's what it looks like. Look at I've been using my hourly a lot, but I've been using it more as like a to-do list sort of situation instead of my hour by hour kind of thing. So look at all of the stuff I've accomplished just today. I've actually accomplished that too. And then I'm adding stuff to my list tomorrow. But then look at this, look at this. I have a little bit on this and then it's like gone. But that's okay. We are getting stuff knocked off the list. I'm so excited about it. Good morning, you guys. Forgive the hair. It's second day hair and I was trying to like figure out how to work with second day hair, but you guys, like, second day hair just does not work for me. But anyway, that's not the point of this. I didn't finish the vlog yesterday and I'm going to today. We have a couple orders that came in yesterday that I'm gonna work on. I need to finish designing new releases and get those ready to go. I have a big long to-do list of things to do today because tomorrow I wanna be able to clean and pack and go get my nails done. I was gonna get them done today, but I honestly think just powering through work and getting that done is probably my best choice, my best decision right now, because I have a lot to do. So I'm gonna show you guys my to-do list for today. Okay, guys, I have to design new releases, do the listing photos, listings, print, cut them. I need to film, edit, and upload the new release so it can go live tomorrow. I need to edit my print press in weeks, my plan with me that I have filmed. I need to film a haul. I need to edit my clean with me that I filmed yesterday, and I need to do orders. I also need to edit this vlog probably later tonight so that way I can set it to go live while I'm gone. So much to do. I've also done a little bit of designing already this morning. I didn't show you guys because I was on the phone and I just didn't feel like showing it right then. Hadn't even gotten ready for the day yet. But this is, oops, the sweater weather kit that I'm coming out with. I love it so much. So I'm almost done with that. I just have to do the mini kit page, I have to do the Hobonichi page, and then the glitter headers, and then I'm done with this collection. I'm done with the other collection minus the Hobonichi weeks kit, so I'm almost done designing. And then I have to do the listing photos and listings and all of that. It is currently 10:07. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 10:07. So I have a lot to get done. I think James is going to work until 6, so I have 8 hours to get everything done.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Okay guys, it's been a while. I put up my hair because it's just too crazy for me to deal with today. I can't even handle it. Like what is going on? It's a mess. It's a disaster. Anyway, I'm currently cutting the orders. I finished cutting all the new releases, so now I just have to film the video for that, edit, upload. We'll schedule upload because it's gonna go up tomorrow, and then I have a couple more sheets to cut for another order, and then I'll be done with all that, and then I will literally just have to edit and upload a ton of videos, and then tomorrow just do my normal thing. So I'm getting stuff done slowly but surely. I'm getting it done. I have about 3.5 hours before James gets home, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done before he gets home, because I know once he gets home I'm not really gonna be able to do anything else for the day because we have other stuff to do. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Something just came in the mail. I don't want to show it in this vlog because I want to do a whole separate like preparing for my vendor event and like showing you guys the stuff that I ordered. But one thing came yesterday, one thing came today. I think that's all. Well, and one thing came last week. I think that's all that I ordered. I really want to show you guys, but I can't. I'm going to show you part of it, okay? That's all I'm going to show you guys. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait. I can't wait to share everything with you guys. I am planning on talking all about the vendor event. To do a whole separate video on that. I was just waiting for everything to like get organized. And there's actually one thing that I don't have because my dad made it for me, and so they have it with them in Florida, and when I drive down there for the cruise and everything, I'll get it so I can show everything when I get back from vacation. But I don't want to show it yet because I want it to all like be together and want to be able to talk about everything. So yeah, I have been so productive. I filmed 2 videos. I'm going to edit a ton of videos right now. I finished up orders. I just have to package them up and print the shipping label. It is 4 o'clock. James gets off in like 2 hours, so I've really got to bust through all of this. I don't know what my hair is doing. I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog because I feel like I have a ton of footage, or maybe it's just me like rambling the whole time, and I apologize if that's the case, but I want to be able to edit and upload this so that way it schedules to go. This video I'm going to schedule to go live on Monday, which is the day that I'm driving back from our cruise. So I want to make sure that there's a video up for you guys. So I think I'm going to end it here so that way I can edit and upload and get everything ready to go, because tomorrow I do need to go get my nails done and I need to clean and pack and do all of that stuff. So I really just need to focus on that tomorrow and not on these videos. So I'm going to wrap this video up. That way I can go edit it. But if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do all kinds of videos, and if you want to know more about my vendor event and how I'm prepping for it, definitely click the subscribe button, because that video is coming probably when you're seeing this, probably the week of or the week after. I'm not sure yet. I haven't even filmed it, but it will be coming soon. So make sure you click that subscribe button and you hit the bell notification. That way you're notified right when I upload. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.